morning, everybody. Pearl Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with day number 12 of our Advent Kit for 2022. Let's open up day number 12, Pearl, and see what is inside.
And by the way, Sunshine's here.
Yes, Sunshine is here. You can see her just down here. She's a little
You
squidgy.
can see a little lump here.
Yeah, that is Sunshine. Okay, let's see what's in day number 12. Is it day number 12?
Yes, it's
It
day
is.
number
We're
12.
halfway there.
Oh, ribbon.
Oh, it is. It is a ribbon. So some white ribbon that matches our collection beautifully because white goes with everything. And it also goes with something else coming further down the day. So white ribbon to make all your bows in day number 12. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.